Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today also I'm going to analyze next week your goals, analyze for your next week goal trading. So last week we made our Telegram link made massive profit with the gold trading, and the FOMC meeting was held there last week and made massive profit with the gold trading. You can join with my Telegram link is below. Join with that and get the VIP access and make profit with the gold trading. So let's get to the next week. What is the going on the gold trading? I am in the daily chart. You can see last week this movement with the FOMC meeting. So this is the gold price made all time high. Just the 2220 is the new high created gold price last week with the Federal Reserve American Central Bank's FOMC meeting was held there. That's the Fed was in Dovistown last week. That's the federal chairman's Powell. That is the gold dollar sell-off and gold demand to the 2200 above level, and then drop to again 2160 level. So that is the price action, big price action in last week. So that is the technically set up last week. So there are two levels, important levels I have marked. That's the white color line, or you can see that the technically there are two important levels. That's the to this is the first support zone. That's the this support zone we it was valid is last week 2150. That was in support in last week, and then next support zone is the that is support was the last week, and that is the next support zone is the 2088 is the your next support zone. So I hoping next week price drop to the below side. That is my forecast. Let's see the what is going on. This is the next support zone 2088 zone. So let's see the what is the there are two important levels I have marks. That is the let's see what is the going on economic data next week. So 5.5 is the current interest rate. Fed, I am going to the Fed watch tool website. What is the going on interest rate forecast? So Federal Reserve American Central Bank forecast to interest rate cutting circle in this year. That's the Fed watch tool June FOMC meeting. I am going to the now. That's the June FOMC meeting. You can see 66% forecast to the interest rate cutoff 25 bps after FOMC meeting was released last week. So next week, what is the economic data? That's the invalid. So important economic data is the GDP, gross domestic product quarterly report is their GDP quarterly report. I am going to the Forex factory website. That's the GDP 3.2%, and the Fed American Central Bank forecast to 3.2% is the forecast level. So GDP 3.2% above will be the actual figure. That is the dollar demand that will be effect to the gold drop to the below side. So GDP quarterly report is there next week. You will touch with this economic data if you are trading gold regarding US dollar. So GDP is strong, that will help to gold drop to the 2088 level. So that is the Forex live mention. USD moves higher while yield move lower. So US yield move lower, that is dollar demand. Last Thursday Friday gold dropped to the below side. That is the economic data you will touch with this it is if you are trading US dollar gold. So that is the drop to the below side with the US yield at the lower and dollar demand last week Thursday Friday. So let's see the what is the technically picture. I am in a 4-hour chart. This is the imported buy zone. This buy zone is invalid, so not respect to this the buy zone, and this buy zone break out to the below side. That is your sell opportunity 2150 is this is a strong demand zone. That is failed demand zone. Next support level is 2088. So that is the my forecast. next week you will touch with this buy zone. I am marking yellow color. This is the important zone, 2150 zone. If failed this demand zone, next price is the 2088. This is your sell opportunity in next week. That is my one forecast. Analyze this next week. So other than this buy zone is valid, price respect to this buy zone, I am hoping this not fail this buy zone, buys is continue to the upside. That is my two forecast. So price is 2200, that is next target. So that is two setups with this buy zone. Technically you will touch with this breakout or continue to the high. That is my next week forecast. So let's join my Telegram, link is below. Get the more profit with the gold trading. If your risk management is the key for gold trading, get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmations, and the money management is the key for gold trading. So let's join Telegram, link for gold trading. Thank you.